Today I am super excited. I'm heading off to Nova Scotia with some friends to go rafting on the Tidal Bore with Fundy Tidal Bore Adventures. I've wanted to do this for a long time. Looks amazing. I'm really excited to finally get this one done.
That was really pathetic.
Oh my god, that was an absolutely amazing experience. I had such a fun day. Got absolutely soaking wet, as you can probably tell from my crazy salty hair. Our driver, Kyle, was really amazing. He was super funny. We had a blast with him. He took us through some huge waves. Honestly, I can't believe that I hadn't done this sooner. It was so much fun. I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money. So, tidal bore rafting. I can cross that one off the list, and I'll see you next time.